Enjoy the view of this 2022 Volkswagen Atlas Cross Sport. With less than 50,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. Here's a boldly styled Volkswagen Atlas Cross Sport, the muscular midsize crossover that prioritizes performance and tech-savvy passenger amenities. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: pre-collision system, all-wheel drive, keyless entry, hands-free liftgate, heated mirrors, fog lamps, satellite radio, premium sound system, heated front seat, keyless start. Punch up your daily drive in this muscular Atlas Cross Sport. Come in for a fun and easy test drive. Our team will make it the best part of your day.